In the farthest depths of space, where time appears to stretch and the fabric of reality grows thin, Voyager 1 continues its solitary journey. Launched during an era when disco dominated Earth's music and humanity had yet to conceive of smartphones or the internet, this spacecraft has surpassed its creator's wildest expectations. But what if its most significant message did not arrive in its early years? What if it came now, nearly 5 decades later? What if, in the frozen silence beyond the heliosphere, Voyager 1 has encountered something impossible? Recently, NASA scientists monitoring the spacecraft's transmissions detected something unusual, an anomaly that defies logic, engineering, and our fundamental understanding of deep space. This was no mere glitch. It was a signal that did not belong. And the most unsettling aspect? Voyager 1 may not have sent it alone. As researchers delve deeper into this mystery, one question looms over the scientific community. Has Voyager 1 made contact with something or someone out there? The journey of Voyager 1 began its mission on September 5, 1977, as part of NASA's ambitious effort to explore the outer planets. Initially, its objectives were modest: gather data from Jupiter and Saturn, transmit high-resolution images, and then fade into history. Yet Voyager 1 was not destined for obscurity. Thanks to a rare planetary alignment, it used gravitational slingshots to propel itself beyond the solar system, becoming the first human-made object to enter interstellar space. For 45 years, it has transmitted invaluable data on cosmic radiation, plasma waves, and magnetic fields operating far beyond its expected lifespan. Today, Voyager 1 drifts more than 15 billion miles from Earth, yet it persists. Powered by a slowly decaying radioisotope thermoelectric generator, it maintains just enough energy to keep a few core instruments active. Through NASA's deep space network, it still sends faint whispers back to Earth, slow, fragile, but monumental in their significance. The anomaly then, in early 2022, something inexplicable occurred. NASA engineers noticed that Voyager 1 was transmitting a repetitive stream of binary code, an endless loop that made no sense. At first, they assumed a telemetry malfunction. After all, this was a 45-year-old spacecraft enduring the harsh conditions of deep space. But further analysis revealed something far more unsettling. The signal was not random, it had structure. Even more disturbing, it appeared to originate from an onboard computer that had been inactive for decades. Engineers managed to restore normal communication, but the mystery remained. How had the probe rerouted its signal through a dead system? Standard safeguards should have prevented such an event. There were no error alerts, no warnings, just an inexplicable, autonomous decision by the spacecraft itself. The signal deepens when data transmission resumed. The readings had changed. Voyager 1 sensors began reporting energy fluctuations. Unlike anything previously recorded in interstellar space, odd patterns in magnetic fields, unexplained plasma density oscillations, and embedded within the signal, a faint but rhythmic pulse. This was not cosmic noise. It was deliberate, almost like a fingerprint etched into space itself. NASA publicly suggested instrumentation degradation, but internal communications hinted at deeper concerns. Some scientists, speaking off the record, admitted the pattern resembled artificial interference, as if Voyager 1 had passed near something technological, something not of human origin. The AI analysis to unravel the anomaly, NASA turned to machine learning. An AI system trained on decades of Voyager data isolated irregularities, and what it uncovered stunned researchers. The embedded pattern bore striking similarities to coded transmissions, almost like a handshake protocol. A Nobel Prize-winning physicist consulted on the findings reportedly warned that the signal matched theoretical models of non-human communication. If true, this would not only be Voyager 1's most significant discovery, it could redefine humanity's place in the cosmos. A pattern from the past. As scientists dug deeper, they realized this was not the first such anomaly. Spectral analysis of older transmissions revealed faint echoes of similar signals previously dismissed as noise. Now, with enhanced AI interpretation, these past anomalies formed a trail, pointing toward a specific region just beyond the heliopause, where solar winds yield to true interstellar space. This area, once thought barren, now appeared to harbor an unknown energy field, one that pulsed, shifted, and seemed to react to Voyager 1's presence, a distortion in time. Among the strangest discoveries was a discrepancy in Voyager 1's transmission timing. After accounting for Doppler shift, researchers found a delay that defied explanation unless time itself had been distorted. One hypothesis circulating at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory suggested the probe had passed through a temporal boundary, a region where time and causality behave unpredictably. Data indicated Voyager 1's onboard clock had been offset by milliseconds, hinting at time dilation not from speed but from proximity to an unknown gravitational or energetic anomaly. If correct, what Voyager 1 recorded may not be happening. Now, it could be from the past or even the future. The Golden Record connection. Voyager 1 did not travel empty-handed. It carried the Golden Record, a phonograph disc containing sounds, images, and messages from humanity, a hopeful greeting to any extraterrestrial intelligence that might find it. Long considered a symbolic gesture, the record took on new meaning when researchers detected a frequency within the anomaly that matched the encoding tone of the Golden Record. It was as if something had received our message and was now replying in kind of cosmic handshake, a signature waiting to be recognized. This raises an unsettling question. If something has decoded our message, how long has it been listening? And why respond now? The silence that follows after the pulse, after the inexplicable data rerouting, after the impossible oscillations, Voyager 1 fell silent once more, transmitting routine telemetry as if nothing had happened, but NASA scientists remain vigilant. This silence does not mean absence. It suggests deliberation. Whatever Voyager 1 encountered chose to reveal only a fragment of the truth, just enough to make us question, to make us look again. Perhaps that was the intent all along, to awaken us, to remind us that beyond the stars something watches, waits, and now, having made contact, decides how much more to reveal. For decades, Voyager 1 has been our silent emissary, a message in a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean. But now, it seems, the bottle may have been found? And if this signal truly marks first contact, then humanity stands at the threshold of a new era, one where we are no longer alone in the universe. The question is no longer whether we are being heard. The question is, are we ready to listen?